now. We've made the plate, so this is what the plate looks like. Clips on there, and then I'm just gonna... That's the idea. Measure twice, cut once, right? Don't know if you guys can tell that I'm really tired, but I am really tired because I only got about 3 hours of sleep last night. Okay, so one nut at the top, one nut at the bottom. I'm just gonna make 2 holes for him. Pop that on there. Put that in there. This looks like it might actually work. Sorry for the secrecy, but you guys will have to wait to see this finished project. When we're probably in Botswana is when I'll put it on. So that's all you're gonna see for now. Sorry. Something else to do today is I have to but I think alright, it's done, guys. I'm going to show you what I did. So I've got the battery holes, 1, 2, then I've got the 2 GoPro batteries. That of course is for the camera that this is being filmed on, so that fits in there. Then we have sound recorder, goes in there. This is just a little tripod for the GoPro, if I want to do time lapse and stuff off the dirt. This is the selfie stick for the GoPro, goes in there. This is the long lens, and as you guys can see, I've put my little strap thing on that I can use as a manual focus now, which is really cool. And so that goes in there. Obviously our very important thermos goes in there. This is the extra lens, which I didn't have before, so I cut that hole there for it. The GoPro pops in there. What is this hole for? What else is there? There's nothing else. I've got the drone case, which is on its own, obviously, and it's not small. It'll just sit behind the seat, probably. And then that's for a tea and coffee. Oh, one more thing. Just hold on. Just hold on. We've got the most important part, mate. Spoonie. Done. Getting my nails done. They're looking very nice. Just kidding. Look who I am on the vlog. Say hello, Liffy.
Hello, Liffy.
I picked her up last night and she was exhausted, so she said I'm not allowed to film and put her on the vlog. We're just taking care of ourselves for a bit before we go on a camping trip, and then we're gonna go for the most amazing sushi. I wish I had the f1.8, yeah, but I don't. Otherwise, I could have shot some really, really good food porn, but I'm just gonna have to do with this lens for now. Are you excited about sushi? You done?
Yep.
Perfect for washing dishes and candy. Come on, woman!
Sushi, sushi, sushi.
What we're about to do is destroy a sushi buffet. Yes, for all the people that don't live in South Africa, we have stuff called sushi buffets, where you eat as much as you want and you pay like $15.
$12.
$12,
no,
yeah.
15.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. had sushi in Canada quite often. We've had sushi in Australia. We've had like really good Japanese sushi in Australia, that fancy Japanese place. And this is still my favorite sushi. It's always the best. It's always the freshest. It's always the nicest. And I know it's a lot of it's still Americanized sushi, but it's still amazing. But next year we're going to Japan, and then we'll have proper Japanese. Those little monsters are called salmon roses. They're like quite, I think they're unique to South Africa. I'm not sure. I haven't ever seen them anywhere else. And they are divine. Hey, love. We're done, yeah. We've both eaten more than we should have. We've got to go home now, pack the car, and then we're going to head to Table View, which is going to be amazing. It's a great day out. We're going to go film Table Mountain on the beach and just have a great time there with some of our mates. So we'll see you guys there.
Welcome to my life.
How's it, brother? Can I get better? Alright guys, we're off. We're gonna go have some lunch at a restaurant on the beach. Oh, that's bright. I'll end the vlog like this today, guys, with the beautiful Table Mountain in the background. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we start our journey up to Namibia. Robbie, you're gonna end the vlog for us today?
Cheers.